Hey guys, welcome back. Out of here again, getting some outdoor therapy. Down here at the Pearl once again, where I like to go hang out on Saturdays. Um, I'm gonna give you a little quick walk around since it's been a while. If I remember how to use the camera. um, Let me get it spun around and show you what's going on, guys. Stand by. Got a couple people finishing up their run this morning. Don't want to bother people too much. Coming back. Huh? Not that many people. Or I guess they came and left.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Run buddies. More run buddies. Before the market gets up hopping and locking in the morning. There goes the man right there. The man with the food. Ain't that some farm to table stuff? Check it out. How you doing, my brother? Pretty good. That gentleman was the owner of the Wangguan Way, the Nigerian restaurant here. Good morning. Good morning. Before everybody gets started this morning, check it out. Show you this little quick bull right quick. I don't know if I showed you this earlier. Check that out. And only in Texas is the bar getting ready to open before 9 a.m. Before 9 a.m. I don't know if they're serving before 9 a.m. Oh, there you go. There you go. Hey! That's Daphne.
Hi, everybody.
That's Daphne. She does the teas. Wait, wait. Let's see if I know how to use my equipment. Yep, Daphne. She does the teas. Come check her out. How you doing, guys? Morning. Check this out. This is for a buddy of mine. Look at that, Mueller Street. It's been good to get back. Still on the recovery list, but today was a good day to get over 6 miles today. No coffee for me this morning. Just some quick breakfast. See if they got anything ready to rock. Oh, they do. Sweet. Alright, well, stand by, guys. I'll come right back in a minute. Alright, there we go, guys. So, I got some goods. I'll show you guys some goods, some sweets. Tasty sweets, the chocolate pie, banana s'mores cake. I'm looking for something particular. I'm not gonna lie, I sure do miss the smell of the deli. Go about my business and purchase some festivities for today's recovery session in the tub. But check that out. All kinds of stuff. Restaurant. We'll come back here one of these days. Probably soon. Come show you guys the restaurant. Right now, I'm gonna go get on the road. I got an appointment to get to. See if I can get a banging haircut from the quickest fade in San Antonio. Alright, guys. Check out all kinds of food selections. Oh! Ha. Stand by, guys. Alright, there we go. Almost forgot to purchase things. Hey, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing?
Huh?
You guys had a good run?
No, we walked.
Yeah, it was a good recovery for me. I had to take it slow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So. Oh yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you guys too.
Yes, good seeing you.
All right. Got me some run buddies.
No.
I want to hang out, but like I said, I got an appointment to get to. Oh, poo.
No, of course, I say, oh my goodness.
We'll go over here and say hi to some friends, and then we'll get on the way. All right.
The other one, the older one says, well, stop it. Why are you always so serious? You're always so serious. You never laugh for anything. And she's like,
There you go. Let's get on the road.
shut up, leave me alone. She's like, I want to make you laugh. She's like, whatever. Like, just leave me alone. So I was just like, what's that?
Cool run friends. More cool run friends.
I did 10 last week.
All right, let's go make hit times. Oh, let's go through. Babies there. It's good to see babies. Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna finish off this coffee. All right. Had to finish that off. Look at that old-timey mirror. Bet you this place is freaking haunted. I hope it's freaking haunted. Oh, come on now. Reception. Of course, we got the valet. There's always a pretty car out here. How you doing, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah. Let me tell you guys, it feels good to be back out here running with the run group. Gosh darn it. Oh, I did start at a different time. So, starting with the early birds, the second group of early birds at 6. All the peeps coming back in off the trots. Nice humid Saturday morning in San Antonio. Beginning of the marathon season. Alright guys, let me get this turned around so we can get out of here. Alright guys, I got another one behind me. So that's the cool part. At least she's getting outside too, man. She's out here with the run group. Good looking girl, man. Alright guys, wish you a good one. Catch you on the next one. Get outdoors and get some outdoor therapy. Love each other, and I'll catch you out there. Alright, bye guys.